Today we'll see about World Bank Group. As the name says, World Bank Group is a organization having 5 institutions under it. So I have enumerated the 5 institutions under World Bank Group here. The first is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, International Development Association, International Finance Corporation, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. So these are the 5 institutions under World Bank Group. So World Bank Group has its headquarters at Washington DC, and it has come out with a conference. It is a brainchild of a conference called Bretton Woods Conference, and it was founded in the year 1944 on July 4th. It is a member of, it is a institution organization under United Nations organization. And here I've given 2 years apart from 1944. Though it is founded in 1944, it started its functioning in 1946, and it gave its first loan in 1947. And this organization, to name it, you can call it as Monetary International Financial Organization, because as it has come out with a monetary financial conference called Bretton Woods Conference, we can call it as Monetary Financial International Organization. And the mission of World Bank Group is to remove poverty, is to bring prosperity, especially among developing countries, shared prosperity among the developing countries, not just these, but especially and very particularly the developing countries. And to this end, it has come out with 2 aims, that is to bring down the poverty percentage to 3% by 2030, plus 40% poorest people in every country. 40% of the poorest people must increase their incomes through the various things taken up by the World Bank Group. So 40% of poorest people income hiking, and 3% of poverty reduction by 2030. And also it also views about the bringing the developmental process hand in hand with environmental protection. So that is sustainable development. And overall it is striving towards the international development. And who are the members? There are 189 members in World Bank Group, member countries. And in order to become a member country of World Bank Group, one has to be a member of IMF. This is a criteria. So all the members of IMF are the members of World Bank Group, we can say. And there are 25 executive directors, and the executive directors must come from these countries only: US, Japan, Germany, UK, and France. And 189 member countries are represented by governors. There is a governors board, where the 189 member countries are represented by their respective governors in the board. And there is a president, as you know, president of World Bank, and MD and chief finance officer. So there are 2 posts also. And to broadly speak about the role, it gives financial assistance to the countries, technical assistance to these countries, member countries, and it also helps in advising, it also advises policy things of those countries, which is a part of governance, and also it supervises various reforms of those countries. So to broadly say, these are the 4 roles, broad roles the World Bank Group does. There are so many other roles, but I have given the 4 broad headings of those roles, I can say. And coming back, the 5 arms of World Bank Group, the 5 organizations or institutions are not set up at a time. They are set up at various times. IBRD is set up in 1945, IDA in 1960, Finance Corporation 1956, MIGA 1988, ICSID is in 1965. And the functions of IBRD and IDA together we are going to see, because IBRD and IDA are together called as World Bank. So World Bank is an institution under World Bank Group which is formed by 2 institutions together. They are IBRD and IDA. So the main role of World Bank is it gives loans. And it also helps in various other things of these developing countries, like governance, helps in governance, education, health, agriculture, rural development, environment, and pollution, and infrastructure, building roads and all. It helps in these things of developing countries. And finance corporation, as the name suggests, it helps in financing. And MIGA, investment. And wherever there is an investment risk, MIGA provides insurance for the investment risks. And ICSID, this is you can derive something from the name, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. So investment disputes between governments, it settles down, and this is its function. So investment risk settlement or dispute settlement. So these are the functions of 5 institutions under World Bank Group. And here I've given some few names of persons. These are the 2 founders of World Bank Group, John Maynard Keynes and Harry Dexter White. So the founders of World Bank Group, just to have the knowledge of them. And these are the present president and MD of World Bank Group. David Malpass is the present president of World Bank Group. He is the 13th president so far. He's the 13th president of World Bank Group. He's from USA. And Anshula Kant is the MD of World Bank Group, and she is from India. So this is a beautiful thing that she is from our country. Anshula Kant, the present MD and CFO of World Bank, is from India. So this is the broad thing about World Bank Group. Thank you.